Wow, that is a wonderful backhand. No, it's actually a really good second serve from Carreño Busta, but Nadal did brilliantly well with the return. It's just an extraordinary point from Nadal. Clinical from Carreño Busta. Well, when Nadal was 5-1 up after about 25 minutes in this set, I didn't think I'd be saying that he'll be mightily relieved to get over the line there. Oh, what a slice it was.
Well, he did so well because Carreño Busta's shot skidded off the line.
Oh, you've got to be kidding. Carreño Busta has actually taken a nasty fall there, so he couldn't play the volley, but even still, Nadal able to get over to the forehand and make it, just making sure that his friend's okay, which he is. But it's Nadal who goes up an early break.
First game, second set.
Just outrageous from Nadal. That backhand lob to get him back to neutral. It's outstanding.
I'm scratching my head here. How does he do it time and time again? Once again, Nadal able to bury Carreño Busta in the backhand corner. And he's had a variety with the flat ones as well.
And it is a 12th Barcelona final for Rafael Nadal. In his previous 11, he's won all 11, and he's lost just one set. His best performance of the week, you would say. Got there in the end, Jannik Sinner. Tsitsipas really made him work for it.
Yeah, brilliant point from Sinner.
That's a lovely way to come through a really tricky game for Stefanos Tsitsipas. Well, a break has been coming. Both players looking as though they could have broken already in this opening set. Another set banked for Stefanos Tsitsipas. That's now 16 in a row. That's a lovely way to finish from Yannick Sinner. Tsitsipas finds another way through a pretty taxing service game. That's now 4 chances in this match that Sinner has had to break the Greek serve, and he's been unable to do so, 2 games all. Oh, it's measured to perfection from Yannick Sinner.
The clarity of thought to play the drop shot, and then just the coolness under pressure. It's easy to undercook that when you break point down.
But in the end, Stefanos Tsitsipas does make the breakthrough. He's in control now, the number 2C, leading by a set and a break. And just like that, from love 30, 60 seconds later, he's come through it, and he's a game away from tomorrow's final, Stefanos Tsitsipas. Stefanos Tsitsipas with 2 match points. Stefanos Tsitsipas into his 2nd final here in Barcelona, and once again he does it without dropping a set.